Hi, I'm Allison Pryor, and today I'm going to show you an amazing foundation that I found on Amazon. And I find that it covers up all your freckles or little marks on your face and a little bit of redness. See, you can see mine, right? So I'm going to show you how the coverage, because it's really hard to find good coverage, isn't it, with foundations, no matter if you pay $100 for them or if you pay $10 for them. This one here is by Almay, Almay, that I got off Amazon. And this one here I think is not really expensive because they have very good prices on their products. And I'm not the kind of person to spend $100 on foundation. I did try a couple. Actually, my daughter sent me one Mars, really good foundation. But I don't know, this one's just as good. To me it is anyway. But I'm going to show you the coverage now, and I'll tell you what else I do. You can also cover up if you have any freckles on the backs of your hands. So this is a sand beige is the one I have here, and it has a pump, right? It's pump, and it has a little plastic top. But the ones that are on Amazon now, because I bought this one actually last year, and this one now they have a silver, really nice silver top. So sand beige, and a nice little pump, and the pump works great. I mean, even after having it for a year, it works really good. So, and you only need a little tiny bit. You don't need a lot. It'll last forever. And I'm just going to put on top of my finger, right? That little bit there. I probably could have used less than that. I'm just going to dab a little bit here, and I'm going to take some off of that because I don't need all that, and I'll put it here, right? And I'm going to just smooth that out. See the coverage already? I wish my hands weren't so bony so you can see it. But anyway, see nice, see how that calmed it down? All those freckles. So I use it on the back of my hands to cover up, to make them look younger. Alright. I know it's hard to see because of my hands, but we'll do the face. Face is a little bit better. So it's still the same thing, you only need a little bit. So I just put enough on the top of my finger, and if you need more you can get some more, but I'm just going to take that and rub it on both my fingers so I can spread it out. Now you can use, just watch, see, well I'll do half my face first. Already you can see that, everything just disappeared. Look at that. That's only that little tiny bit. It just covered everything up just like that. Just like that. No, I didn't do that part yet. I'm going to add that other little bit there. It's amazing. It's amazing. So that lots there. Look. And my forehead, right? I'll put it up here. I have a dark one up there that's kind of needs a little more. Look. Didn't take away my wrinkles too much, but it helps. But it helps cover up all those little impurities, and it evens out the skin tone. All that redness is gone. See all that there, right? My nose is red, all that there. See that? So let's do the other side. So a little pump. The whole thing might have filled up. It did my whole hand, but look, I only put a little bit on top of my finger, and you can put it on, and it just makes everything smooth out beautifully. And I find it does kind of minimize my wrinkles. Look how that just disappeared. Hope you can see that. Just see how that disappeared, look. And if you feel like you can put 2 coats on if you want to. And it lasts all day. I mean, we're not talking $100. Not even $50. I don't know how much. I'll check out the prices for you, but I don't think they're really expensive. I'm sure it's somewhere between, I don't know, 10, 15, 20, I don't know. But It's a lot cheaper than these real expensive ones that do a great job, but I'm finding that this is it for anybody who, you know, is on a limited budget. This is amazing. I'm just putting a little tiny bit on. Look, that's all I'm doing. I'm only just doing it to see how much coverage I can get. That little spot up there is still cut, but I don't care. You're just probably going to be a really dark spot. And all you got to do is just lay it on there and tap it on instead, right? You know, because once you start blending with your fingers, I'm going to put more on right here and here, and I'm going to use a brush. I'll try a brush. A lot of people now are using sponges and brushes and things, but I'll just use my hand that time. Oh yeah, it does make a bit of a difference using the brush. Oh yeah, cool. Nice, but look at that coverage. I'm amazed by it. And I just thought I wanted to show you. Just want to do a review for you because I had it there for a long time. And I said that would be something nice to show everybody, because everybody's looking for a nice foundation. It's not bad, is it? I like it. I hope you do too. Anyway, there's links there where you can go. I have an Amazon shop, and I'll have some links to this. And if it's not exactly like this, it'll be similar. I think they changed the cover or something like that, right? And sand beige, all right? So if you like that, check it out and let me know. If you can respond to me, let me know how it worked out for you. Yeah, I did put a little bit of eyeliner on, lipstick, because I wanted to, I did it for the video so it wouldn't look, you know, too bad. But I had no foundation on. You could see all my freckles, my reds and that, so, but look. Isn't that nice? I could put another coat on when that dries and it'll even be nicer again. Let me see. Let me see before we go. Let me see. Just a little tab. Okay. I'll put some more on. I'm gonna tap it on and get my brush again because I really like the brush. What I do with my brush. Oh yeah, look, even that coat there. Just look, the more you, oh yeah. But even just one coat is plenty. Nice. I really like it. I wear it every day. And it's so easy to clean off. Just use your wipes and face wipes, whatever you use, and comes off nicely. Doesn't stick, but it'll last all day. If you're really hot weather and you sweat, it'll probably come, you know, any makeup will come off in really hot weather. Okay, I think that's it. Look, I hope you can see it. I'm not sure if I have the lighting good enough, but I put a little bit of blush on there now, and whatever you put on top of it is nice, right? I got some more makeup here that I use. Now, I'd probably do some more reviews for you because everything I order on Amazon, I've never had any problems with Amazon. Everything I order from Amazon is good and it's nice. I've got to say, I've never been disappointed. Now, what I do is I do my research first, and I see what other people are using, and if I can afford it and it looks good, I will buy it. And if I buy it and I don't like it, I won't use it. But everything, I haven't had anything yet that I didn't like. So, and Amazon shipping, Prime and everything is really fast, and it really saves a lot of money when you got Prime. And I got the movies and everything, so I'm not trying to promote Prime, I'm just showing you a review on this makeup. So, but anyway, I'm just telling you how I feel about it, and if you try it yourself, I think you'll be happy with it. I mean, look at it. There's nothing showing through. So nice. All right, that's it for today, and I'll be doing more reviews coming up, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye from Allison Pryor.